So, kain tayo guys. This is my breakfast today. Coffee and pandesal. Ayan. Then, nagluto na tayo ng kanin. Ayan, kanin. Then, yung pork binagoongan, meron pa. Ayan na lang, isang tab na lang. So, yun ang baon na lang natin guys. So, that's it. And we will see here outside kung anong status ng weather. Oh, ang ganda ng weather. Oh, diba? Sunny day. Sunny day. Pero hindi siya ganun kainit. Medyo malamig-lamig siya. So nice. Okay, guys. I'm going to work now. So, this is my king. Diba? Tumaba kami dyan. Oh. So, I'm going na. Kasi pupunta pa tayo dun sa parang market sa baba bago tayo papasok. So, let's go. So, punta tayo ulit dito. Tayo naman, spaghetti. Wow, this is so much noise. Jesus Christ. It's so much nice. And what they put there. Oh wow. Over the other side. And they put Prisma. All the street they have lights, Christmas lights, and they're making all the paroles. Wow, making all the paroles. So aggressive. Christmas tree. Wow, may mga star na. Ayan. So nice. Ganda. We're here now on my workplace. Ganda ng Christmas tree. Pertas na. May mga Christmas lights. This is the Christmas tree here. Yeah, Christmas tree.